The BMW M5 has always followed a tried-and-true recipe, a high-powered 5 Series sedan with beefed-up performance and an aggressive, sporty look. The 2025 model holds true to this legacy, but with a daring twist. It's now exclusively a plug-in hybrid. Under the hood, a twin-turbo V8 and an electric motor team up to deliver a jaw-dropping 717 horsepower, pushing this sedan to a claimed top speed of 190 miles per hour. Despite skepticism from purists, the numbers alone are impressive, with up to 25 miles of electric-only range to boot. Starting at $120,675, the M5 packs serious performance features, including adaptive dampers, standard all-wheel drive, and the option for rear-biased drift mode. Add-ons like carbon ceramic brakes, $8,500, and the $900 M-Drive Professional package let you customize the thrill factor even more. In European test drives, it showcased immense power and responsive handling, though some may find the steering feel a bit too light. Inside, the cabin combines luxury and sportiness. The M5's interior mirrors the 5 Series, but with race-inspired upgrades. Think a flat-bottom steering wheel, customizable M buttons, and sport seats designed to hold you tight in fast corners. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and 14.9-inch central touchscreen display. Everything you need. Powered by BMW's iDrive, 8.5 with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even in-car gaming and video for when parked. BMW claims a 3.4-second 0 to 60 mile/hour time, though the M5 has historically outpaced official figures, hinting it could dip below 3.0 seconds. If you crave the ultimate mix of power and innovation in a luxury sedan, the 2025 BMW M5 might just be your perfect drive. So, what do you think? Is it worth the price? Share your opinion down below and see you next time.